I, Andrew Seekings, being the acting returning officer for the Workington constituency, do hereby declare that the total number of votes cast for each candidate was as follows. Coburn, Nicky, Independent, 842. Hayman, Sue, Labour Party, 16,312. Hughes, Neil, Liberal Democrat, 1,525. Ivinson, Roy Allen, 87. Jenkinson, Mark, the Conservative Party, 20,000. 20,488. Perry Jill, Green Party, 596. Walker David, Brexit Party, 1,749. Therefore, Mark Ian Jenkinson is duly elected as the Member of Parliament for the Workington constituency.
That's a very significant result from Workington in Cumbria. This seat has been held by Labour since 1918, except for a small Conservative patch in 1970s. So it's a very, very strong Labour area in the past. It covers a bit of the Lake District. It's a former steel town on the Cumbrian coast. But the significance here is not just the fact that Conservatives have gained this seat, it is the fact that Sue Hayman is a key member of Jeremy Corbyn's team. She's the Shadow Environment Secretary. She's been the MP here since 2015. And Mark Jenkinson, the gentleman who's speaking now, who's the new Conservative MP for Workington, is a deputy leader of Allerdale Council.